Today's world is all about information, which creates awareness and helps conservation. Conservation is all about intelligent resource management. And yet, even now, there are areas like utility management with technology that hasn't changed for decades. Every home has utility meters for electricity, water, gas, BTU. But you have to wait for the reading to be taken at the end of each month to know your consumption. And what if there is a discrepancy in billing, a faulty meter, or there is leakage? Alternatively, a utility provider struggles with demand response, resource allocation, improving customer service, amongst other issues. Do you know that even in some of the most developed countries, 40% of the utility generated and supplied by providers is left unbilled? This is either due to human-machine error or fraud. What if we tell you that there is a simple solution to all of these concerns? Flow, a multi-utility metering and billing solution which brings the Internet of Things to utility management.